Taking English classes. In a bustling city, a young man named Alex enrolled himself in a vibrant English language class. Eager to grasp the intricacies of the language, he explored various language learning techniques to enhance his skills. Determined, Alex first embraced immersive experiences. He surrounded himself with English by watching movies, listening to music, and reading books. The rhythms of native speakers became familiar, and he found himself absorbing new vocabulary effortlessly. Not stopping there, Alex also delved into the world of technology. Language learning apps and online platforms became his allies. He engaged in interactive exercises, language exchange forums, and even joined virtual classrooms. The instant feedback and gamified elements made learning feel like an exciting challenge. Understanding the importance of practice, Alex formed a study group with his classmates. They organized regular speaking sessions where they would discuss various topics exclusively in English. This not only improved their conversational skills, but also fostered a supportive learning community. To reinforce grammar rules and vocabulary, Alex adopted a visual approach. He created mind maps, flashcards, and used colorful diagrams to make the learning process more engaging. Mnemonic devices and associations helped him recall complex structures with ease. As the weeks went by, Alex discovered the power of repetition. Regular review sessions, flashcard drills, and revisiting challenging concepts became a staple in his routine. The consistent reinforcement solidified his understanding of the language. During a class project, Alex showcased his language learning journey, incorporating his favorite techniques. His classmates were intrigued and inspired, realizing the multitude of methods available for mastering a language. They began exchanging tips and tricks, enriching their collective learning experience. In the end, Alex not only excelled in his English language class, but also became a resourceful guide for his peers. The story of his language learning adventure highlighted the effectiveness of a well-rounded approach, combining immersion, technology, practice, visualization, and repetition. Together, these techniques transformed the once daunting task of learning English into an enjoyable and rewarding pursuit. Drop your answer in the comments from which country you are watching us. Which English learning technique is your favorite technique? Vocabulary booster. Having a good vocabulary making you good in speaking English. Now, we are going to learn some new words from the lesson. These words will help you understand the lesson better and improve your English vocabulary. Eager, strongly wanting to do or have something. Grasp, a firm hold or grip. Intricacies, a quality of being complex or elaborately detailed. Immersive, providing, involving, or characterized by deep absorption or immersion in something, such as an activity or a real or artificial environment. Delved into, to try hard to find out more information about something gamified. The process of adding games or game-like elements to something, such as a task, so as to encourage participation, fostered, encourage the development of something, especially something desirable. Intrigued. It interests you and you want to know more about it. Peers. A peer is someone at your own level. Peer comes from the Latin par, which means equal. When you are on par with someone, you are their peer. Once daunting task, often used in the phrases daunting prospect and daunting task. Daunting describes something that you are not looking forward to doing. Having to fill out complicated tax forms every year is a daunting task for many people. Share this video with your friends for learning English. I hope you enjoyed today's story. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Comment and tell me what topic you want to practice next. Have a good time, everyone.